Hello, traders. This is George with the Harmony Trading System, and this is going to be a quick one. We have one trade that we took today. It was a profitable trade based on the Harmony Trading System. We looked for the 200 and the 100 to be in sync, and then we took a Harmony wave. It was a successful trade. So let's take a look there. Then we're going to discuss the FOMC and fireworks that we had today. All right, so initially what we saw here is the market was in sync. Like I said earlier, the 200 and the 100 were in sync, and we saw this wave long, and we took the spear version of it and the railroad version of it, which is those two spots. And we were looking for a run-up that eventually happened, but we took a break even on one, and then we took on profit on the second one. We ended up with this trade and basically $176 after commission. Not a big day by any stretch of the imagination, but the consolidation that we saw in the day and the top of quality of price action was fairly consolidated, fairly tight, and price was waiting for the FOMC. Eventually, there was another Harmony wave that shot up. Then the market went into a period of consolidation, a very big period of consolidation into the close of the day. Not a lot of range. Where the firework happens is once the FOMC meeting happened. So mark this number, 12,053. That is the 1 second before the announcement on the rates and the minutes on the rates. And, fireworks start happening from that moment on. Price action started to sell off, and eventually it's more displayed here on the 200 NQ Renko. You could see, a very big sell-off that went from 12,050, about almost 250, about 300 points, a little bit over 300 points, and a counter trend, then a reversal of that once we hit Globex. So that level, the 53, is going to be an area where the market is going to be gravitated toward, and it's going to react to it in the next few days into the next couple of weeks. And ultimately, the Harmony waves, we had one Harmony wave, a second Harmony wave, and now we're in the process of establishing another one on the short side. On the bigger time Renko bars, we're looking at a target of 11,662. So we may get a continuation of this type of pattern into tomorrow trading. But anyway, we took one trade. I didn't trade any of this stuff right here, left it alone. Typically, the nature of FOMC trading, you would have to expand your risk tolerance. So you have to kind of be ready to be able to take on 20, 30 point trading range, and also the stops with the slippage that you typically get in an environment like this is a little bit more than a typical day. So profit is a profit. We'll take it, and we'll go and do this again tomorrow. And precision is a decision, and we will see you on the next one.